welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to fix Frigidaire Dishwasher light blinking. Firstly, let's see why are the light blinking. Door is not latched properly, cycle is paused or was interrupted, control lock is enabled, water supply or pressure issue, drain hose strongly closed, filter or spray arm is blocked, electronics control need a reset. Step 1. Check the door and latch. Make sure the door is fully closed and latch. If the door is not closed properly, the light may blink. Then cancel the cycle. Press and hold cycle cancel for 3 seconds. Wait for the dishwasher to drain and stop. Step 3. Turn off the dishwasher. Press the power button to turn off the dishwasher or unplug the dishwasher for 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. This allows the electronic control to reset. If unplugged, plug the dishwasher back. Then simply go to the step 5, power on dishwasher. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The light will be turned on. Then go to the step 6, check door, water supply, drain hose, spray arm and filter. Step 7, clear control lock if on. Press and hold options HI temp to rest for 3 seconds. Control lock light turn off. Step 8, run a test cycle. Press start to begin a new cycle. All lights should be steady and normal. What do the light means? Cycle is running on pause is blinking. Cycle completely was erupt means clean blinking, or sanitize blinking means sanitize cycle active or certain issue. Here are the important notes and troubleshooting tips. Troubleshooting tips. Let's see after the reset what happened. Light should be steady, not blink. Start a new cycle to confirm normal operation. Keep the dishwasher clean and use proper detergent for best performance. If the issue return, contact Frigidaire support for assistance. You can also go to their official website for more help. For safety, destinate water before servicing the problem. Please contact an authorized Frigidaire service professional. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.